Hello, good evening. How are you today? Welcome back to Shagel Gaming channel. And I would like to introduce the filter Instagram Haram Meter. So this is the viral Instagram filter that you must try it in your Instagram filter. Okay, but before we start the tutorial, please subscribe on my channel to follow my activity in my channel. Okay, for the first time, please open Instagram and then tap to shirt. After tap to shirt, please type AFG. Oh, what is it? At AFG. Where is AFG? AFG? Where is AFG? Can I see AFG? Oh, AFG. Oh my god. I don't know. Oh, we don't say Patrick. We can see from Patrick. Start from Patrick.
Haram Meter.
Nah, this is Haram Meter. You can see from Patrick and then tap Haram Meter. Nah, don't forget, if you want to try the Haram Meter filter Instagram, you can tap save effect or simpan effect. This will make Instagram filter becomes yours. Okay, we try first. Open the Instagram camera, then make a selfie. Haram Meter become ours, and you can tap and hold for several times, and this Instagram filter will start it for you. But if you record with the DU recorder, you can do it. But you can see the result in my Instagram account. I will make the highlight in my profile so you can see it on there. Okay, I think enough on the tutorial how to use Haram Meter Instagram filter. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe